lands where shadows dark and deep. The lone wolf wakes while others sleep, with silver blade and eyes so keen. Geralt's tale shall now be seen. Oh, Geralt of Rivia, white wolves call through battle and blood. He stands tall, a friend to the lost, and reigns the beast. He guards the realm, west to east. In Camoran's halls of stone, he honed his craft, he stood alone. With potions brewed and magic's might, he hunts the fiends in darkest night. Oh, Geralt of Rivia, white wolves call through battle and blood. He stands tall, afraid to the lost, obeys the beast. He guards the realm, west to east. Yennefer's love and Ciri's grace, he journeys far through time and space. A destiny none can refrain, Geralt's tale shall now be seen. Oh, Geralt of Rivia, white wolves call through battle and blood. He stands tall, a friend to the lost, obeys the beast. He guards the realm, west to east. Blaviken streets to Novigrad's might, he battles demons in the night. With dandelion songs, his deeds remain. In lore and legend they shall reign. Oh, Geralt of Rivia, white wolves call through battle and blood. He stands tall, a friend to the lost, obeys the beast. He guards the realm, west to east. Raise your glass to the Witcher bold, whose story in our hearts is told. In taverns, halls, and firesides near, the name of Geralt will always cheer. Oh, Geralt of Rivia, white wolves call through battle and blood. He stands tall, a friend to the lost, obeys the beast. He guards the realm, west to east. Yennefer's love and Ciri's grace, he journeys far through time and space. A destiny that can't refrain, Geralt's tale shall now be seen. Through Nilfgaard's fire and skelly snow, his legend spreads, his power grows. With friends and foes at every turn, in Geralt's heart the embers burn. Oh, Geralt of Rivia, white wolves call through battle and blood. He stands tall, a friend to the lost, obeys the beast. He guards the realm, west to east. White wolves call through battle and blood. He stands tall, a friend to the lost, obeys the beast. He guards the realm, west to east.